Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage bookings when admin wants to charge the full booking amount. The WPRentals team was built as a booking platform, and the admin can allow owners to submit listings and manage bookings. The admin can decide if a booking fee will be deducted from owner earnings for each bookings and set a deposit fee for the booking to be confirmed. In this video I will show how bookings work if admin decides to take the full amount of the booking. First, the admin needs to make the deposit settings. This can be done in admin team options, add the listing page and payment settings. The setup is made under booking payment settings. The deposit fee is the amount that the guest needs to pay for the booking to be confirmed. For a full payment to be required when the booking is placed, the deposit fee needs to be set to 100%. In this case, we recommend to also enable the option to include expenses when calculated deposit. The expenses are city fee and cleaning fee. The full booking amount will go to the site admin. If the admin is also the owner of the property, then the full amount will be paid and no other actions will be required. But if the property is added by an external owner, then the amount will go to the site admin and the payment to the owner will need to be managed outside the team. In this case, the admin can also add a value for the service fee, which will be deducted from owner's earnings and will represent the fee that the admin can charge for each booking made on his domain. To show how this works, I will simulate a new booking, but before I will set a payment method. The WPRentals team supports PayPal, Stripe, wire transfer, or you can use any add-on from WooCommerce plugin. I will use wire transfer as payment method, but the site admin can choose one of the team included payments or WooCommerce payments. I have a guest account. I will go to a listing page. I will select check-in, check-out, select the number of guests and place the booking. This is the admin account and the new booking will be seen in my bookings. This is the new booking. It has pending status. The owner will need to issue the invoice. You can see here that the guest pays the full amount of the booking. Next, the guest will see his reservation in my reservations. The booking status is waiting because the guest will need to pay the full amount for the booking to be confirmed. The guest will see all booking details and will need to pay the full amount of the booking. He will press wire transfer, send me the invoice. Now the guest will receive an email with the bank details. We'll go to the bank and make the payment. For this payment method, the admin will need to check manually his bank account and after go to invoices, edit the invoice, click on this button. By pressing the button, the admin confirms that the amount is seen in his bank account and the booking can be confirmed. In my bookings, the booking will show as confirmed. The same will show for the guest. This scenario is mostly used when the admin is the owner and can take the full booking amount without having to make other transfers to other owners. Thank you for watching and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.